Hey guys, Donut Your Hands here and welcome to another shitty quality audio. What? Let's rewind that. Hey guys, Donut Your Hands here and welcome to another shitty audio quality video. Nailed it. Huzzah. It's that time for the good old Birchbox. That was really violent. I don't know what's wrong with me. It seems to happen when I film at this time. But Birchbox is here. I think I nearly showed you my address. I'll have to block that out if I did. But yeah, shirt, why do you do this to me? I'm just gonna... It's supposed to be an off the shoulder, but instead it just wants to come up and strangle me, so we're gonna roll with that. Also, I love these glasses, but I think they might be reflecting in the camera lens, so they're coming off. Also, other side note, how freaking cute is this wig? It was like £30, I think, maybe, could be wrong. I'll put a little thing up here of the wig. Super cute, buns unattached, amazing. Anyway, back to a Birchbox. Again, I forgot scissors, and it seems like forever since we did a Birchbox unboxing, even though it's only been a month, but it just seems like forever. So, oh, is she pretty this month? Like, whoa, what? I'm sorry, I just looked and... What? I think this might become my new wig cap storer box. I reuse all my old Birchboxes and most of them have nail varnishes in. Others have like wig caps and stuff in. One has my phone cases in it. So yeah, this might be my new wig cap box. So let's open her up. Good old Birchbox. I can't remember if there was a theme this month or really or what the dealio was this month. But let's open her up. I'm working on a slightly higher camera angle and I think it was a bad choice. Oh, stuff is falling out. This was a bad idea. Things have gone terribly, terribly wrong. Let's just... Oh wow, she got a mirror in her. Wow!
What?
I'm just gonna cheat a second and remove that, although it would be helpful. Wait, come back. You're a gem. Oh my god! Thanks, Birchbox. How did you know I was a gem? Haha. So here she is in all her glory with her mirror. Does this bit of a carnival mirror? But I ain't mad. I ain't mad, Birchbox. Hey, you can see you guys. That's you. So let's go for our first item. Let's go for this little thing. This is the thing that we got to pick this month. This is Estate Birchbox. Do me, sorry, in the viewfinder it looked like Web Me and I was thinking, Spider-Man? What? But it is a highlighter? Yeah, baked highlight powder. Da, 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 da. So the colour we obviously chose was Do Me. Haha. Jokes down in the comments. Ooh. She's a nice purple one. I don't think can you focus camera please? Please? There we go. I can't remember if I chose the purple one. I think I said last video I wasn't going to choose it. I don't know, I might go for lit. I think purpley and like pink highlighters don't look that great on my skin tone. But I don't know if I did, or I don't know if I asked them to surprise me, because on the model they both looked really good and I might have thought, do you know what? Screw it. That was supposed to be more dramatic. But there she blows, I guess. Little Do Me. This is Do Me Afterglow, but Afterglow baked highlighter. Let's do a little. Ooh. Ah. Look at that non-focusing action. I do love you, camera. Let's just do, are you focused? Whoosh. Every time I always have really bad nails in this, so I apologise. But look at that! That's quite pretty. It's nice, and it's actually more, the purple is more subtle than I first expected. So 10 out of 10. I am a doof because I have no makeup wipes at the moment, so this was a great idea because I'm not going to be able to remove any of this. So yay. So let's go for our next thing. I'm going to go for this because I had Instagram spoilers, and so I basically know what this is. This is the Benefit Professional Primer. This is the original. In another Birchbox, I actually got their Pearl Pore Primer, which is pretty neat. I've used it a couple times. Professional primer that you can't see because the camera refuses to focus because of leatherhead. There we go. It is silky lightweight face primer, minimises the look of pores and fine lines to help makeup stay put. Apply to face and blend with fingertips for smoother than smooth skin, wear alone, under makeup as a primer or over makeup to touch up, blah blah blah. You all know the drill on primer. I don't know if you guys want a swatch of this, you all know. 93% said it helped makeup stay put out of 100 women over a week. And 91 said it minimised their pore appearance. Coolio. Let's do a little... Oh, look at that dollop. Ooh! I've not actually used this one, so this is interesting for moi, but wow.
Wow.
Look at that. I think it looks like there's colour there, but that's just my foundation from this morning that, again, I forgot to wipe up, but wow.
Wow.
The back of my hand has never felt so smooth, and I'm very confused but enjoying this experience. Also, my fingertips now feel really smooth. Again, confusing but enjoying. Anywho, let's carry on into, let's go for that doodaddy that slid down. This is, oh, I've had again something from these guys in Birchbox before. It is Balance Wonder Eye Cream, 99% natural. Gent, if you would focus please, thank you. Gently tap and smooth our triple action eye cream around the eyes to address dark shadows, firm skin and reduce puffiness. Nice, I've actually been getting into eye creams a bit. I've been using the Dermalogica. I wanted to say Dermographica, but that's the tattoo studio I go to. Separate thing. Dermalogica. Yes? Their eye cream is pretty nice. Does help with dark circles, which I suffer from, and it's got like SPF 15 in it, so it also helps protect your under eyes. Let's do, it's just an eye cream, so don't really know why I'm swatching it, but there you go. It smells really nice, actually. I think the last thing I had from them was a spot cream. I think I've used it all up, but that smelled kind of funky because of the like citrusy element to it. But anyway, enough waffling on about random stuff. Let's have a look at this. Oh, we've also got lots of worms in this video. We have Human and Kind Skincare with a Conscience. Natural 2-in-1 Body Soufflé, Crème Soufflé pour les crops. Apparently. Lightly whipped for the ultimate in kindness. Human plus Kind 2-in-1 light and fluffy body soufflé is quickly absorbed to leave your skin feeling super moisturised and soft to the touch, apparently, is what I said. So let's do this on this hand because, ooh, because I've got stuff on the other hand which will impact this. Also a really itchy nose. Anyway, wow.
Wow.
It's a body cream. You've all seen that before, but Oh, it smells really good, but I don't know how to describe it. I don't know. It smells nice. I'm excited to rub that all over my body. Anyway, before that gets weird, let's carry on. Let's do this thing. Then is that it? I think. That's everything. Now I've just got lots of wormies to clean up again. Monica Vinadia. Discover fine jewellery. 15% off. What do you have to spend? Because a lot of these are like, get 15%, get £15 off, but you have to spend over £900. It doesn't say. I'm assuming I just get £15 off. I will look at that later. We have Diamond Eye, a Brighten and Depuff, but my camera is going to hate this to focus on even more because of its hollow. Christine, Simply Nailogical, don't come for me. I think it's hollow. Hollow packaging. Instantly hydrating and cooling eye pads made with real diamond powder. Ooh, we're getting fancy. Brighten, diamond powder to brighten, and caffeine extracts to depuff tired under eyes. This mask utilises a special skin gel technology for exceptional comfort and adhesion. Directions for use: apply one pad under each eye to clean dry under eyes, leave on for 10 to 15 minutes and discard after use. Gently pat remaining serum onto skin, use 2 to 3 times a week or as needed. Nice. Who is it by? By Vitamin Solis? Possibly. I've not heard of them before, but you never know. Where did I chuck the card? Oh, really? It's all the way over the other side of the room. But this isn't a big room, but once you sit, it's just effort. Let me just show you guys where it has gone. It's all the way over there by Samantha. And I can't be bothered to go get it, but I need to. I'm back. I have our little card. Just while I remember, actually, I'm going to check what baked highlighter I chose to see if I did choose the purple one, because I honestly don't think I did because of what I said last video. But I could be wrong, so one more second.
2,000 years later.
Okay, so I just checked my emails and I have the confirmation for March's choice, which was the cream. But I don't have the confirmation email for this, so I'm confused. I don't know, I'm still going to use it anyway. But April marks the start of a new season and a chance to embrace a whole lot of spring positivity. Whether you believe in the healing power of crystals or not, we love the feel-good vibes that they represent. And it doesn't hurt that they're beautiful too. So all month long we'll be reflecting the sparkle that you exude naturally. Why? Well, because you're a gem, of course. Aw, thanks, Birchbox. Oh, hey guys, I suddenly got real close then. The Estate highlighter was originally £10. Well, you can read all about it. We could have got Do Me baked highlighter or afterglow. Oh, so we could have got the Do Me baked highlighter powder in lit or afterglow. So we have afterglow, which is the purple. I nearly broke it on my tripod then. So there's all the deets about that. Then of course we have the Benefit Professional, which is £28 originally. There we go. Then where is it? What are we on to next? We're on to the Diamond Eyes, which is 20 something pound? £4.99. Don't even ask how I got £20 for that. Next we have the Humankind Body Souffle, which was this thingy. Does it say what flavour? It just says nourishing ingredients, aloe vera, and a multitude of botanical oils. Doesn't actually say like what scent it is, but it smells pretty good. It is $16.45 originally. There is that. Feel free to pause the video to read any of these at any time. And last but not least, we have the eye cream, which is originally £20. It's apparently made with a virgin coconut, cucumber, rosehip and carrot oils. So there we go for that. So our full size products this month were, this is why you don't chuck things around your room, people, because then you can't find them. These were our 2 full size products this month. What do we get? May Sneak Peek, pick your Lord and Berry treat. We either get Ultimate Lip Liner, Blendable Lip Pencil in Vintage Rose, or we get a eyeliner. I think I might go for the lip liner because I don't really have lip liners and I don't really use lip liners. I probably should, but I just cannot be asked with that. We could also win £250, apparently. I wondered what that was. I could just see something dangling and it's this little piece of hair right here. This is, hello! Get out of here. Take a picture of April Birchbox and Beauty Treat, share on Instagram, use hashtag Birchbox, hashtag BirchboxIRE in your caption, and we'll pick a lucky winner. Well, there we go. There we have it. That is it for this video. Again, I apologise for the word vomit. I can't help it. I record them normally pretty late at night. Well, it's not that late. It's 9 o'clock. But you know, I don't know. I just get so hyper in these videos and just so like I want to unbox it. I don't know. But I hope you guys seem to like these videos anyway. Which, thank you so much. It really means a lot to me that you like them because I like these videos too. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, please donate your hands to the like button. It really does help me and my channel out because YouTube's algorithm just does not seem to push new content creators, so it is super difficult nowadays to start off doing YouTube, and I really do enjoy doing this video. I really do enjoy doing videos for you guys because it was something that helped me out when I was in a rough patch to like go onto YouTube and just sit and just binge watch loads of videos, and I hope that I can one day do the same for you guys. That is like my goals, is to just make something where you feel you can just sit, chill, forget about the stresses of your days, vent in the comments, do whatever, just have a good time really. So please donate your hands to the like button, it really does help. If you haven't hit subscribe already, please do. Hopefully I will have some more gaming videos, some more beauty related videos. At some point in the future I might separate those two into 2 separate channels, but at the moment I just want to keep them all contained into one little baby because they're the things that I'm enjoying at the moment, like unboxings, beauty and gaming. Maybe I'll throw a few random stuff in, you never know. So please go ahead, hit subscribe, join my family, and don't forget to hit the notification bell, and then you will know as soon as I post a new video, and you'll be able to be that person in the comments that's like, first here, beat all them bitches out of the way. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye! Just to quickly show you guys, this is the aftermath of recording a Birchbox video. It's just everywhere. Just stuff. Please help!